You know what I hate? When you're watching a movie and somebody keep interrupting you. This movie funny, yo.
Yo, look at this. Look at this real quick. Look at this.
Oh, okay.
Yo, he too funny. Yo, real quick. Just look at this. Look at this. This is hilarious. This is funny.
Nigga, you showed me the same picture twice, dog.
Really? But look at it. Look at it.
Alright, so that's funny. Nigga, will you shut the fuck up? That's why I fucked your girl.
What?
Oh, huh?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Look. I don't know why they been lying, but your shit is not that inspiring. Bank account statement just look like I'm ready for early